Hello and welcome to another daily t-shirt design course online. This is another daily t-shirt design course. You want to stick to the end, watch every bit of it. It's going to show you so many parts of Photoshop, so many parts of t-shirt design. I'm your host, David Isamoje. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. I really appreciate you guys for clicking through and wanting to learn a new t-shirt design course for yourself, which you can use to make passive income on sites like Redbubble, Teepublic, Match by Amazon, and Teespring. So if you really want to learn and learn well, learn professionally, be a professional t-shirt design, I would advise you to stick around because I make simple t-shirt designs that sell. Simple t-shirt designs you can work your way around and create money doing that. So if that's something you're interested in, I want to say thank you. So I just want to give a quick shout out. I do this for most of my videos when I have the time to. I just want to give a quick shout out to my new subscriber, Urios and Mamoon. I appreciate you guys. You guys are really grateful, and yes sir, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are really great. Thanks for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. While we'll get straight right into today's video. So I'll open my Photoshop. So this one I'm going to be creating something creative, very creative. So I'll ask you follow me to the very end. If you don't want to miss out, you have to follow me to the very end on this. This is going to be classical me. This is me mixing things up, and I want you to follow me throughout the stage. So let's get straight right to it. I'm going to click on that, go to file, new. This is the standard 4500 by 5400. Just make sure your settings is just like this, just about this. You can pause and save that. Make sure your settings is about that, nothing complicated. You press OK. So for this, it's going to be a text-based / element kind of design. So for this, I'm just gonna put in. Let me start with the color. For this watch, I think I'll just make it. I might change this later, but let me start with orange kind of. So I'll increase the font. That's this double T you see. That's increasing the font size. I'll just put that at 24 for now. So now I'm just gonna do I am D. So as you can see, it's quite small, so I'll increase that. And I'll change the font. If I want a fancy full font, I'll just go through. I can use this. Or can I? Let me see. Okay, I can use this. I only have to increase this more. So I'll just do that from here. So it says I am D. I make that 200. Okay, 200. That's okay. So it says I am D. Let me see if I make that a capital T. Yes, I am D. So it says I am D. So for this, it's going to say I am the vaccine. I'm going to say I am the vaccine. Control V. I'm going to make this all cap, or I might just leave it with a capital V. Yeah, the capital V, but I'll leave that just there for now. Then I'll bring in my element, which I already downloaded, because I have to make some tweaks to the element. So this is it. I'll just drag it into Photoshop. As you can see, it's quite small and I want to make it bigger. So I'll hover my mouse to this edge, press down 3 buttons, my Alt key button, my Shift key button, my left mouse click button. I'll drag outwards. Now if I press enter, it's going to show up. As you can see, I'll just move it a bit. So I don't want it out of my image, but at the same time I want it under the D. So I'll just to make it come under that D, I'll just drag it under. As you can see, that was not add. So now what you notice is that my I am D is now on top. It's now on top. So it says I am the vaccine, but I'm gonna make something different here. I'm gonna get rid of the eye. So let me go. The eye is going to act as you can see. The eye is going to act as the. I can decide to make it, just put it down here. I can decide to put it down here, but what I was planning to do was to make the eye this full body. So let's see how that works out. If that does not work out, then we'll change it again. So get rid of the eye, then space this out, and just try to position this something like this. So it says I am the vaccine. You get the drill. So I'll just reduce that a bit. So now I am the vaccine. So now I want to add a little bit to this, and to do that I'll have to create a shape, because I want to just make this a colored around this. So to make it a colored kind of theme, I'll just come to my pen tool, click on it, then I'll increase it. I want to increase this layout so that it can become bigger, so that I can do what I want to do. So to do that, I'll do my control plus. So I'll just from here, I'll make that under this. It's going to be under. I want it to appear under, so I'll just click. So I'm just creating a shape there to cover the cross. Nothing too fancy, just creating a shape to cover the cross so that it has more color. To it. So now that we have it all set out. As you can see. So now I want to change the color to like about green, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's where I want it to be. So now if I press on Ctrl 0 on my keyboard, you see I have that effect, which I think I enjoy. I love that. Love the effect. So it says I am the vaccine. The big boy with the injection here acts as the eye. Get it? Act as the eye. So I think I want to, should I wear him a shoe or something? Let's go in and wear him a shoe. So I'll do my control plus again and just try to wear him a shoe. What color of shoe should we wear him? What color of shoe should we wear him? Let's just get him something to wear. Let's get him something to wear. So we'll do the same thing here again. So you see, design is not that complicated if you follow it through. It's super easy to do. I hope you're enjoying this design course. I hope you're enjoying it. It's super easy to do. You just have to be a little bit creative, and learning Photoshop is not hard. If you learn under me, I go through every step. I tell you what I press, what I do. So if this is something you want to do, just make sure you stick around. So I'll do my Ctrl 0 again to zoom out. So now you can see we have that. Everything looks fanciful, not too much effect, nothing too special, nothing too crazy. And you can see it just took us about 9 minutes to get that done. So now what we want to do is to put up this background, and now we are just left with our design. And for this design, it won't work on a black shirt. So what should we do about that? It won't work on a black shirt, and some people want it for a black shirt, so we can change the color. You can just change that color. I don't like to do it this way, so I will go through the back end to just double tap on this edge and just see if we can change the color. Gray will not show properly, so it won't show properly. I would have made him a green man as he should, but that would be too much. That would be too much, and I want it to pop, so I want it to pop. So we just keep going to find the color for him. Or we can make it all orange. We can make it all orange. Do I want to do that? I don't think so. I don't think so. So I'll just scroll and find a better matching color. This color looks okay. It's okay, so you can just leave it at that. Press OK. So now our design, now we just have to save it. I'll save this as Vaccine Man, save as pictures. Remember, you want to always save it as PNG because you don't want the white background, so you save it as PNG. Click save, press OK. So now that you have that, you already have your design is saving. As you can see, make sure you wait to see it's done saving, so you go back to cross check that your design saved properly. Let me find, I think this is it. Yes, Vaccine Man. So I'll just click on it. As you can see, our design is ready. So now you just have to place it on your shirt on Redbubble, Teepublic, Teespring, and Match by Amazon if you have Match by Amazon activated. So you just place your design there. If you want to learn how to place it on mockups, then you can watch my last video. I'll show you how to do that. But without wasting much of your time, just go through this, learn, practice your own style, practice your own design. But I advise you not to copy my own exactly. You can do your own the way you want to. Nobody's stopping you, but don't copy. You can change my colors, change everything. I don't have a problem with that. I'm here to teach you. The only way you can help me is to support me on Patreon. That's the only way you can support me at the moment. Or if you want PayPal, you can just message me. I'll give you my PayPal. If you want to support me that way, it's all fine. But I don't plan on selling any course on this channel. I'm just here to give you t-shirt design training daily. That's all I'm going to be doing. So without wasting much of your time, to your right you see my playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist. Stay safe. We are the vaccine, and we'll get through this together. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Stay blessed.